Hi, welcome VTechs. Hope our video's helpful for you. Please let us know in the comments section. In this video we will talk about 3 upcoming WhatsApp privacy features that help you as WhatsApp user. Please stay till the end of this video. Don't wasting your time. Let's get started. Before getting into the features, let's tell you that WhatsApp has pointed out that these features are still undergoing tests and are not yet live on the app, so do not be frustrated when you cannot find them. First one, choose who can see when you're online on WhatsApp. WhatsApp started by letting everyone see when you are online. Then, it made it possible to hide your online status from everyone. Moreover, it made it so that only people who are in your contacts list, and people you have messaged with before. Now WhatsApp will make it possible for you to pick and choose who can and can't see when you are online. One can only hope that those among your friends and family that you haven't whitelisted into this exclusive club won't take offense. Next one is, leave silently on WhatsApp groups. Starting later in August 2022, it will be possible to exit a WhatsApp group privately without alerting everyone in the group. Instead, only the admins will be notified. This will definitely eliminate the drama or embarrassment that comes with leaving a group, and the inevitable DMs from people wanting to know why you abandoned them. This feature will be a welcome relief for those who like to leave secretly. Before moving into the next one, please consider subscribing us and press the bell icon. Next one, screenshot blocking for WhatsApp's view once messages. View once or disappearing photos is a feature that has become popular for a wide array of reasons. Most importantly, it goes a long way in preventing revenge porn from a boyfriend who gets hold of your private photos. However, there was always the risk that someone could screenshot the disappearing photo. WhatsApp screenshot blocking for view once messages feature added layer of protection. This feature is currently undergoing testing. WhatsApp is yet to announce when it will go live. WhatsApp already has default end-to-end encryption, so no one but the intended recipient can hear or see them. Over the years, the app has added new layers of privacy protections to give users multiple ways to secure their messages, including disappearing messages that self-destruct, end-to-end encrypted backups. WhatsApp said in the introduction of these new features, is backed by a new privacy study conducted by the company. It found that 72% users value being able to speak in an honest, unfiltered way, but more than 47% are only comfortable doing this in a safe, private space. While 51% prefer to stay hidden online to choose who they want to talk to, as many as 91% who were aware of blocking features, believed they were important. That's all for this video. We will back another interesting video. Till then, take care and goodbye.